Roses are red. Our daisy's blue. I hope with me making this considers you buying me a Birkin or two. Maybe a Rolex, maybe a pair of diamond earrings. You know what I'm saying? Nothing less than 1.5, okay? There's only a couple things a woman wants for Valentine's Day. Diamond pair of earrings, diamond tennis bracelet, a pair of Jimmy Choo, maybe a YSL bag, and a bouquet of flowers. So I'm gonna show you how to do just that. Hey Angel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, my name is Aisha Marie. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, girl. Hey. So in today's video, we are going to be creating this Valentine's Day floral box. I'm gonna put like a picture up on the screen so you all can see my inspiration. I got this off of Twitter. If you are on social media, which I'm assuming you are because you're on YouTube, you would have seen these boxes all around social media. They can be filled with chocolate covered strawberries, roses, all types of things, like even the little heart-shaped chocolate and you break it. People are charging a ridiculous amount for something you can just make yourself for the fraction of the price. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. Disclaimer, this is gonna be my first time ever making this, so the first things you're gonna need are some flowers. So I have some roses and these cost me $15.99 from Publix. We're not even gonna discuss it. And then I got these little, I don't know what kind of flowers these are. I just got 3 of those because they were 3 for $12, which is a good deal. Good deal. I think these are called like baby whispers or baby kiss or baby breath. I think they're called baby breath. I don't know what these are called, but I got these from Trader Joe's and I think these were like $3.99. I also picked up this wet foam. It looks like this and it comes 3 in a pack, and we're gonna wet this. We're gonna cut this out and put it in our heart box. The other things you're gonna need is water and then like a knife and some scissors. Excited, I'm super excited. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I like creating sentimental DIY projects for certain occasions because I just feel like it means a little bit more than just going out and spending something on it, because you're actually like taking your time and creating something and putting thought into it. So we have our wet foam, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just try to measure all of this out, like place it on top of the box so I can see how many I need to cut. I wonder, oh no, y'all. Wow, if you just press it in, it cuts it out for you. Shut up. Wow, that's neat. Okay, so boom. We're just gonna take the wet foam, place it on top, and smash it in gently though, so you don't wanna like, oh shoot. All right, boom, this is gonna be the quickest DIY project I've ever done. So disregard the knife, you don't need the knife. Just press everything in and it'll come out. So your molding of it should look a little bit like this. I'm just gonna honestly wet it in the box. Okay y'all, so I wet the foam and it does get pretty heavy. So you wanna make sure you just saturate it with enough water. Now we are just going to cut the stems of these flowers and then just stick them in. Everything has been cut. Now we're just gonna move on and start sticking them inside of the heart.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
Now I'm just kind of making sure that all of the flowers are kind of like you can't see the stem a little bit. Does this look like a heart? I tried to fill it in and then make this pointier down here and then outline this curved part to structure it to like look like a heart. This is so romantic. Would you be my Valentine? Roses are red, violets are blue. Would you consider buying me Jimmy Choo? No, for real. Would you? Roses are red. Our daisies blue. I hope with me making this considers you buying me a Birkin or two. Maybe a Rolex. Maybe a pair of diamond earrings. You know what I'm saying? Nothing less than 1.5. Okay? I'm just playing. No, but seriously, this is like the cutest and easiest DIY Valentine's present. You can literally store this up on your kitchen counter, you know, use the top as like to hold it for display. Like, this is super cute. Quick, easy, took me less than literally 15 minutes. If you really want to be creative, you can honestly write like a little love letter in a Sharpie. Remember, nothing is more luxurious than a woman with flowers. XOXO. Quick PSA, ladies, we are not only accepting flowers for Valentine's Day. If it doesn't come like this, or in this size, or in this package, we are not accepting it. We are not accepting flowers that are fresh out of the package. Are you serious? It's 2022. Like, be for real. Be for real. Aisha Marie.